How to understand monitor lizards. A monitor lizard. What is it? What country does monitor lizards live in? What consumes monitor lizards? Monitor lizards, are they excellent pets? The genus Varanus includes a sizable group of lizards known as monitor lizards. There are numerous varieties, and both their size and appearance vary greatly. In the U.S., monitor lizards are considered invasive species because they are not native to the Americas. In this video, discover what monitor lizards eat, where they reside, and whether they make suitable pets. Any lizard belonging to the Varanidae family might be called a monitor lizard. These may be of the Varanus or Lanthanotus genera. The appearance of monitor lizards might differ because there are numerous different species. The majority of monitor lizards have large bodies, long tails, and well-developed legs in general. They have necks and heads that are very lengthy. They have long, forked tongues that mimic snakes like many reptiles do. In some regions of the world, monitor lizards are called goannas. They first appeared during the Miocene epoch about 15 million years ago. The greatest of these lizards could reach lengths of 7 meters and weights of 600 kilos, according to fossils of an extinct species of monitor from the Pleistocene period. The size of modern monitors has decreased from some of their progenitors. The Komodo dragon, the largest monitor species, may reach 3 meters, while the smallest monitors are just about 20 centimeters long. On average, most monitors are 1 to 3 meters long from tip to tail. The habitat and origin of a monitor lizard determine its hue, while monitors that dwell near water or in trees are often dark. Those native to desert climates are typically orange or yellow, depending on their age or species. Some people have spots, specks, or bands on their skin. In several different continents, monitor lizards can be discovered in the wild. In Africa, monitors are primarily found in the desert, but are also present everywhere, except the Northwest. Australia and the islands scattered over the Southwest Pacific Ocean are home to several species. Asia's southern and southeast are home to several islands and monitors. Although they are not native to the U.S., monitor lizards are considered invasive in some areas of Florida. About 1990, the Nile monitor was first made available, probably as an exotic pet. Around this period, it is thought that some of them may have fled or been released into the wild. Although monitors were first discovered in and around southwest Florida and the Miami area, their distribution has been increasing to other state regions. The majority of monitor lizards are carnivores, meaning they'll eat almost everything. Their bodies have been modified to make them excellent land and water predators. They can float through the water thanks to the rudder-like effect of their long tails. They can swim incredibly well, and they are great at getting fish to eat in addition to other aquatic life, like mollusks and turtles. On land, monitor lizards consume anything they can capture and ingest. They can move surprisingly swiftly and have long claws so they can catch various prey. Depending on the lizard's size, they hunt different things. Will they eat bugs, crabs, bird or other reptile, eggs, tiny reptiles, spiders, mammals, birds, amphibians? Moreover, monitor lizards will scavenge for dead animals or the remains of their prey. The stench of rotting meat attracts them. One monitor lizard, the Komodo dragon, can kill prey as big as a water buffalo, although most monitors try to hunt animals within their own size range. Some species of monitors eat the fruit in addition to their mostly carnivorous diet. The Gray's monitor's diet consists primarily of meat, with fruit serving as a supplement. According to a study, the Northern Sierra Madre forest monitor eats some meat but mainly thrives on fruit. The Varanidae family of monitor lizards contains around 50 different species. Only 27 of them reside in Australia. Depending on where they like to live, these species have several monitors, including water, semi-aquatic, and tree monitors. In marshes and tropical woods, tree monitors prefer to live in the uppermost branches of the trees. They may observe their surroundings below and watch for potential prey. From this vantage point, They can travel fast through the trees due to their agile claws and keen vision. Semi-aquatic monitors alternate between time on land and in the water. They create burrows in which to sleep during the day. Because of their excellent swimming abilities, aquatic monitor lizards can submerge themselves for an extended period without needing to surface for air. Many individuals like keeping lizards and other reptiles as pets. There are advantages and disadvantages when it comes to monitoring lizards as pets. One advantage is that they don't have particular food preferences, making it simple to feed them a range of foods. In addition to being solitary, monitors do not require a companion animal. The drawback is that monitor lizards grow quickly, so you need to provide adequate room for them to live happily. As they develop, their food requirements will increase, which might rapidly mount up and get pretty pricey. Remember that monitor lizards are wild creatures and can be quite hostile. They are not afraid to utilize their lashing tail and keen claws when they feel threatened. Children or other tiny house pets have been reported to get bitten by monitor lizards kept as pets. Check whether your state or town has any restrictions before deciding to keep a monitor lizard as a pet, such as requiring a permit. Never try to bring a monitor lizard home as a pet from the wild. Since monitor lizards are an invasive species, you should contact animal control if you spot one on your property so they can take care of it.